Programming. Basic structure of an HTML document. Let's go. Every HTML document starts with a doctype declaration. It looks like this. This declaration or piece of information is useful for web browsers. It helps the browsers understand that the document contains instructions in HTML. The browsers read the document and obey the instructions. Doctype is a declaration, hence the exclamation point in the beginning. The first opening tag in any HTML document is the HTML tag. Tags in HTML are not case sensitive. Both uppercase HTML and lowercase HTML will work. People prefer to write tags using lowercase input method. You will always open and end your document with HTML and /HTML tags, an opening HTML tag and a closing HTML tag. This is how your document will look like. First, you have the declaration on the first line that this document contains HTML. Then you have the boundaries, like at first you tell the browser this is the beginning of my HTML document. So whatever is contained in between this opening tag here and this closing tag here is my HTML document. It's like drawing an object, let's say a cup, and your cup has very specific boundaries, a beginning, a middle, and an end. So with your opening HTML tag and with your closing HTML tag, you show the computers, the machines, the boundaries, the borders of your HTML document. It helps them. Now choose the correct answer. Which version is correct? And why is it correct? Write down your answer in the comments. Pick the correct version and explain why it's correct. Now let's move on. Head and body. So we will have a head opening and closing tag and a body opening and closing tag in our HTML documents. This is the backbone of any HTML document. Head and body are two very important tags which will contain a number of other tags and elements. So this is it. This is the structure, the basic structure of any HTML document. Now let's talk a bit more about like these head and body tags. Magical head. The head tag and its elements are not visible in the main window of any browser. So we have a head, but it's not visible in the main window, right? And the body, like everything that you see inside your browser window, is written in the body tag. Hence this little joke like watch my body, because body is what we see. Here's an example. In here we have our main window, like the main part of our browser. Whatever you see in here, it can be just text, you can have images, you can have buttons to click on, you can have menu items, right? Whatever you see inside this part is usually located in our body tag, right? And then in here we actually have the title of our website. For now it's not, yeah, there it is. So the title is located in the head part of our browser, because like this part, this area is outside of the main window of the browser, right? So let's have a look at a few examples. This one is how my Chrome browser shows a specific website on programming. I took a screenshot, and again, this is our body. So whatever we have here, including those menu items, right in here, normally is in our body tag. You can have text, you can have colorful text, you can have links, images, buttons, etc. And then on top we have the title of the website, HTML something, right? And it's outside of the main window. So here's a very visual example. Whatever we have in here is located in our body tag. The background image, the text, the menu items, the pages, all the different pages, they are made with HTML documents. One page normally has one HTML document, and then whatever you see is located in the body. Of course, we have other elements which are not visible, which control the behavior of our web page, and they are located in the head tag. We will learn in detail all these little things, all right? So this is it. And a little quiz by the end of our lesson. What's the first line in our HTML document? What do you think? The very first line in our HTML document. Now, what's the first opening tag in any HTML document? An opening tag. And which structure is correct in here? So here's one structure and here's another one. Which one is correct? And an assignment in the end, create a correct HTML document in the comments section under the video. Just start coding, like you start like then maybe head if you think you have the head after the declaration, if you think the declaration is what we need to start with. So just type in, just code in the comments section. Congratulations, you're becoming a programmer. That's cool. That's it. See you next time.